trying to work. Yep. Trying to No, I'm working. Nope. You get it. You get it. It's right there. Good boy. Go sit down. I'm trying to... Make a phone call. Maybe we should make a phone call. You want to talk on the phone? Are you helping me type? Thank you. That is so helpful. No, really, I can concentrate. It's not a problem. Not a problem. Well, I really need to work on fetch, apparently. Where is it? Bruno, am I going to get to work today, do you think? And I'm calling that? No. Should we go play fetch instead? Will you pay for my rent? How much will you pay me if I play fetch with you? Alright. Good boy, Bruno. Come here, give me a kiss. Come here. Give me a kiss. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.